This NAUQUOHZ wax melter pot is such a helpful tool if you love candle making, wax melts, or DIY soap projects. It has an 800 milliliter capacity, making it a great size for beginners and small batch projects, but also useful for more experienced crafters. I love that it's electric, so you don't have to deal with a complicated setup. It also comes with a thermometer, which makes it easier to monitor your wax temperature, and the pouring spout helps you pour more neatly into candle jars, molds, or containers. It's compatible with soy wax, beeswax, and paraffin, so you have options depending on the type of candle or wax project you're working on. Whether you're making homemade candles, gifts, wax melts, or trying DIY projects for the first time, this wax melter makes the process feel cleaner, easier, and more organized. A great find for crafters, candle makers, and anyone wanting to start a fun DIY hobby at home.